I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice easily. Getting perfectly cooked rice every time is simpler than you think. The fundamental secret lies in the water-to-rice ratio, which is typically 2 parts water to 1 part rice. For example, 1 cup of dry rice will usually expand to yield about 3 cups of fluffy, cooked rice. Remember to rinse your rice thoroughly before cooking. This crucial step removes extra starch, ensuring a wonderfully light and separate grain texture. Whether you prefer a stovetop or a dedicated rice cooker, both methods can deliver excellent results. For stovetop cooking, bring your measured water to a rolling boil, then add the rinsed rice. Reduce the heat to low, cover tightly, and let it simmer for about 18 minutes. If using a rice cooker, simply add your rinsed rice and water, then press the start button. Crucially, resist the urge to lift the lid during cooking, as this releases essential steam needed for even cooking. Plain rice is delicious, but you can easily elevate its flavor profile with a few simple additions. A small pinch of salt added to the cooking water makes a surprising difference, enhancing the natural taste of the grains. For an even richer and more savory experience, try substituting chicken or vegetable broth for the water. Once cooked, stirring in a pat of butter or some fresh, chopped herbs like cilantro or parsley can transform your rice into a truly memorable side dish. Even with the best intentions, sometimes rice doesn't turn out exactly as planned. If your rice is a bit too firm, simply add 1 or 2 tablespoons of hot water, cover it again, and let it steam for a few more minutes. Once cooked, always let your rice rest, covered, for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the steam to redistribute. Finally, gently fluff the rice with a fork before serving to ensure every grain is perfectly separate and tender.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.